Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to castle on the chess.com app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open your chess.com app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap play and start a game. Now we are ready to practice castling. Castling is when the king and rook move at the same time. The king moves 2 squares to the side and the rook jumps over right next to it. You can castle king aside or queen aside depending on which rook you use. You can only use it if your king and rook have never moved, there are no pieces between them, or your king is not in check and it doesn't move through or into check. On your turn, just tap and drag your king 2 squares towards the rook. If you drag it toward the rook on the right, that's king side castling. If you drag it toward the rook on the left, that's queen side castling. The rook will automatically jump over into his place. If castling doesn't happen, double check, maybe your king already moved, your rook moved, or a piece is blocking the path. Also remember, you can't castle through check, and that's it. Now you know how to castle on chess.com app with the phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.